Hey guys, I'm back. Yay. Today I'm gonna play Get a Snack at 4 a.m. again. Well, I didn't play it on the channel, I played it off screen. So yeah. This is gonna be one of the first videos I make in a while. Because I've been lacking on uploads. I just haven't had the time. Okay, so yeah, just wait for this to end. Okay. Alright. Then the game now. So the first ending. Let's get the orange ending.
Hey, yo, it's Hello, back again with another game of video. Looks like we are going to play a game called Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Whoa! Oh, good thing it's not at 3 a.m. That's when all the creepy stuff happens, right? Okay. Welcome, Tutti Frutti 9000. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. It's me, your self-conscious. Not con-
Okay, finally he stopped. Next snack. Gonna get this. Go to the room.
Yummy.
Eat it. Alright. Now we sleep. Yep, another ending. I'm not gonna try to get all the endings in this one video, because then this video would be way too long. Let's try to get like a few. Well, let's go shoplift, I guess. Yeah, that's a pretty easy ending, just go shoplift. Okay, take it all in the lifetime. There. Can you go a bit faster, mate? There you go. Yep. Alright, we got the ending. Shoplifting. We should buy the item first. Okay, we have 3 endings. Next ending, let's wake up Dad. Don't look. Alright. 4 endings in. How many minutes? 3. We should basically speedrun this game. Meh, alright. Let's not do that. Let's continue. Get a snack at 4 a.m. Let's get the one where you can like the one where you eat the eggs and stuff. Okay. Pick up this. There's some money in here. Yeah. Okay. Let's go buy some stuff. And get the ending where you get the egg. Okay. Some money. Can I? Yep. Alright, we have 80 cash. Stuff in here. Yeah, that's good. Now let's this up. I buy it. We now have the egg. Now we go back. Let's fry up the egg. Also, I'll pick up this. Alright. Into the kitchen. Turn this on. I'll turn it off. Okay. Now I turn this on. Let's see. We have to buy orange juice after this. But first we wait for egg to cook. Okay, egg is cooked. If I can pick this up. Why can't I pick this up? Oh yeah, I have to turn off the... Okay. I need to go buy orange juice. Alright. Let's go get the orange juice. Alright. Let's go take this. Alright. After that, I think we take the toothpaste and orange ending. The orange toothpaste. I can't even talk. Okay.
Nom, nom, nom. No.
We got that in.
That was delicious.
It was 4 a.m. It was supposed to be a late night snack, but I guess we're having a... yeah, okay. I think we can get like 2 more, and then I'll end off the video or something. Okay. Let's get to... Actually, we could get 3 more, because there's like... I'm pretty sure 3 easy endings we can just get.
Yummy!
So we can eat this right here. Now we can go this way, and yeah. Yep. We'll get 2 more, and I'll end off the video for today. I might do a part 2. If this video gets to 20 likes, I'll do it, I guess. You know, I'm probably gonna do it anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, what was the next? Oh yeah, the toothpaste ending. Okay, we go here, grab toothpaste, and eat it. I know there's one ending where you just have to wait until it becomes way too late. So, yeah. That one's gonna be a bit hard to get. It's gonna, take a while. So yeah, let's get one more. I'll get the last two and then the special ending in the next video. So, yeah, we need the orange juice, so let me pick up some cash. There's some cash over here. Here. Go here. Cash. Let's pick up all the cash. Actually, I don't think we need it, but let's just pick up enough. Yeah, some here, some here, some cash over here, cash in the fridge for some reason. There's nothing here. There's a sink, which you can use to get the special ending, I think. Or something. But I'm not aiming for that right now. So we go here. Let's pick up some more cash. I'm just gonna pick up as much cash. No, I don't want soda. I want cash. Don't mind me, I'll just be stealing your cash over here. It's definitely not shop. I don't know why there's cash in here, but, like, I don't care. That guy looks... What? Oh wait, I think I... Why is he... Okay, now I do this. Okay, now I'll go eat toothpaste. How long has this been going on for? 12 minutes. I mean, I could get one more ending. But like the last 3 endings take a little while to get, so I don't think we can get them at this video. So I'll just get this one last ending of toothpaste, water, orange juice. Yeah. So where am I? Okay, yeah, I go here. Talk to the dummy. Alright. Yeah, okay, skip this dialogue, don't care. Yeah. The last 3 endings will be on the next video. I've said that like 3 times already. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this guy's just gonna continuously talk. I don't care. I'm just gonna wait here. Yeah, whatever. Okay, how long does this guy need to talk? I'm making a video. I'm gonna need to end this at some point. If this video gets 20 likes, I will play Commit Tax Evasion. I'm thinking 3 AM. Yeah, okay. 20 likes. Actually, no, 10 likes. For views. Okay, that's it for the day, I guess. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and like and,